Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. Friends, in the last video, we discussed that Supreme Court did not intend to interfere with the dismissal of an ADJ cadre woman. But here we are going to see a case which occurred the judgment was delivered in second month, where the justices did not accept the resignation of the woman judge and directed the Madhya Pradesh High Court to reinstate her. So, as the previous video is a negative and this is a positive way where the Supreme Court responded. Supreme Court directed the Madhya Pradesh High Court to reinstate the woman judge who raised sexual harassment allegations against the High Court Judge S.K. Gangade. Right. Two judges bench, the Honorable Justice Lav Nageshwara Garu and B.R. Gawai. They held the resignation of the so-called woman judge, ADJ cadre, is not voluntary. It is forceful, it's punitive. So therefore, they set aside a resignation and also ordered that the back wages, that is her pay, perks and all these things should be protected. Of course, if she is posted in the other state, the seniority may be affected. Otherwise, seniority also should be protected. Now, coming back to the facts of the case, I should not tell because sexual harassment allegations. The woman judge, she landed in trouble when she made sexual harassment allegations against the High Court Judge S.K. Gangade in the year 2014. Of course, immediately she was transferred from one place to the other, from Gwalior to Siddhi, and she has represented that she has got a daughter studying class 11 or class 12, which is not there in Siddhi. She wanted to pursue her daughter's studies, but the court did not allow. Even the High Court also said, no, you have to go and work there. Once you are transferred, we can't do anything. But it is very well known that it is at the behest of the High Court judge, or since she leveled allegations of sexual harassment against the judge. Right? So, the Supreme Court took it serious notice, and it is very clear that the transfer order is not at all in the interest of administration. Since she has a daughter of studying some final year or class 11, then the school is there, but it did not have hostel facilities. So, once again, the Supreme Court asked the High Court to reconsider her matter, or to post her some other place, or to post her in some other state. But the High Court said that she was egoist. She was, how dare she is to level allegations against a senior judge when who asked her to do her duty properly. So this is my assumption. I don't know whether what happened. So anyway, the allegations leveled against the judge, definitely they are taken very seriously by Madhya Pradesh High Court, and the High Court declined to reinstate her actually. Yes, when vexed with the attitude of the judges, she tendered her resignation. But of course, Supreme Court did not agree for the same. Therefore, she was reinstated in the year 2017. But the point is, as regards the salaries, back wages, once again, High Court said, no, we are not going back to give this up. But Supreme Court, in its wisdom, they have clearly stated that you are bound to take her back and pay all her wages. She is reinstated. So please, please know that this is a case where the Supreme Court interfered. So that's why in the last video, I told you the judge said clearly the mistake depends on the kind and magnitude. So here, she has altered the section. Here, she asked for a transfer. She has vexed with the attitude of the judge, and she has actually submitted the resignation. It's not a voluntary resignation. It's a forceful resignation. The resignation was done, the transfers were done as a punitive change, but there is no administrative interest. Supreme Court, taking into consideration of all these things, reinstated her. Yes, here the Supreme Court has come to the rescue of the woman judge. So such things also do happen. So please compare my earlier video to this video, and definitely you will appreciate the acts of the Honorable Supreme Court of India. That's why the words please don't forget. Every case depends on the facts and circumstances. No case is similar to that. Even though we quote so many stare disease, so many precedents, but still every case depends on the facts and circumstances. If you know this much, is sufficient. So, thank you very much.